Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that developers face when working with .NET APIs. Picture this. You've meticulously crafted your API methods, specifying all possible return statuses, only to run into a snag with a 401 response. The issue here is that .NET automatically sets the content type to application SYN for unauthorized requests, even though no content is actually returned. This discrepancy causes trouble, especially with testing suites like API dog marking requests as failed due to mismatched content type expectations. Now, let's delve into the solution. One way to tackle this is by adding a middleware to your app. By using the provided code snippet, you can intercept responses with a status code of 401 and customize the output. The middleware will ensure that when a 401 status is encountered, a specific JSON response, such as status:401, is sent back instead. This clever workaround not only addresses the content type issue, but also allows you to tailor the response content according to your needs. To wrap things up, we've uncovered a neat trick to handle 401 responses in your .NET API effectively. By incorporating a custom middleware, you can fine-tune the response output and avoid content type discrepancies. Remember, a little middleware can go a long way in smoothing out those pesky quirks in your API development process. And with that, happy coding, folks! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Who knew handling 401s could be so fun, right? Alright, until next time.